In this lesson, we will learn the notes that correspond to the various keys on the piano keyboard. Take a look at the piano keyboard in this picture. Firstly, you will notice that the keys are black and white. But if you look more closely, you will notice a pattern with the black keys. You will notice that the black keys follow a pattern of 2 keys, followed by 3 keys, followed by 2 keys, then 3 keys, and so on. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, and it goes on depending on the number of keys that the keyboard has. In this 88-key piano, you can see that this pattern of black and white keys repeats several times. Once you understand the pattern of 2 keys followed by 3 keys, it's not hard to label the piano keyboard, no matter the number of keys it comes with. So let's start with the note C. Where is C located on your piano? Here we can see that it's just before the set of 2 black keys. Here's an image with various C notes all over the keyboard. Each time, it's clear to see that C falls just before a set of 2 black keys. Each C is 8 notes or 1 octave apart. Now that we know where C is on the keyboard, it's easy to find the other notes. The key after C is D, followed by E, F, G, A, and B. Then we go back to C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and so on. It keeps repeating according to the number of keys on your keyboard. Just move in alphabetical order. The musical alphabet is from A to G, 7 letters, so there's no H. After G, you go back to A. Take a look at where F is located on the keyboard. While C comes right before a set of 2 black keys, F comes before a set of 3 black keys. So we now know the notes of the white keys. How about the black ones? Just like the white keys, the black keys are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet, except for one thing. These black keys can be either sharp or flat. For example, the key to the left of D can be called D flat, but since it is to the right of C, it can also be called C sharp. In simple terms, sharp means to go higher, while flat means to go lower. Flat indicates moving to the left of your piano, while sharp indicates moving to the right. Sharps and flats are called accidentals. The black keys in order are C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, and A sharp or B flat. It's really 5 black keys being repeated over and over again. When you think of it this way, it's really simple. What we have discussed so far is simply a simplified approach to piano notes. As a beginner, this is all you really need as far as knowing your piano keyboard is concerned. But let's take things up a notch and talk about enharmonics. This means that keys can have different names. One key on your piano can have more than one name. In reality, notes and keys are not the same. Strictly speaking, the keys on your keyboard aren't actually called A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. They just play these notes. This is why the black key to the immediate left of D can be called C sharp or D flat. C sharp and D flat are enharmonic equivalents. D sharp and E flat are enharmonic equivalents. F sharp and G flat are enharmonic equivalents, and so on. You will find this particularly useful when learning to read music. White keys also have enharmonic equivalents. The key that corresponds to the note C on your piano keyboard can also be called B sharp. E can be called F flat. B can be called C flat, and so on. As we said earlier, sharp simply means to go higher and flat means to go lower. All we're doing is going higher or lower by a half step. There are 88 keys on a grand piano. There are 52 white and 36 black keys. The first note is A. Most digital pianos have 88 keys, while other keyboards can have 49 keys, 61 keys, 76 keys, and so on. It varies, but most keyboards have either 61 or 76 keys. I trust that you have a better understanding of the notes and keys on a piano keyboard. Be sure to visit my website www.piano-keyboard-guide.com for more piano lessons. Click on the link in the description. Thank you. My name is Manchus Kazabon.